Flexcompute, a leader in GPU-native high-performance simulation, has announced a deepened partnership with Joby Aviation. This collaboration will enable Joby Aviation to leverage Flexcompute's flagship solver, Flow 360, to accelerate the development of its next-generation eVTOL aircraft. Flow 360's end-to-end workflow will allow Joby Aviation to perform high-fidelity aerodynamic and aeroacoustic analyses, dramatically shortening design cycles and enabling the company to design future quiet and efficient aircraft for urban air mobility. According to Gregor Webel-Mikic, chief aerodynamicist at Joby Aviation, Flow 360 is revolutionizing the design process by providing faster execution, seamless integration, reliable accuracy, and scalable computing power. This allows Joby Aviation's engineers to focus on solving complex physics challenges rather than managing tools. With Flow 360 running on modern GPUs, simulation runtimes are significantly reduced, enabling rapid and comprehensive understanding of design evolution and associated flow phenomena. The partnership will enable Joby Aviation to explore multiphysics capabilities beyond aerodynamics, allowing for a broader range of integrated simulations. Flow 360's capabilities will be applied across various stages of the design development cycle, including early concept design, aero database development, and aeroacoustics. By iterating quickly with confidence and building accurate aerodynamic models, Joby Aviation can reduce design cycle iterations and optimize aerodynamics and acoustics across a wide flight envelope. Flexcompute President Vera Yang emphasized that this partnership reflects a shared belief in the potential for faster, quieter, and safer urban air mobility. By harnessing the power of GPU technology, Flow 360 delivers simulation results significantly faster than traditional CFD solutions, enabling companies like Joby Aviation to tackle complex design challenges and accelerate development cycles. This collaboration marks a significant shift in simulation-driven design, where fidelity, speed, and agility are no longer trade-offs, and paves the way for the development of more efficient, sustainable, and quieter aircraft. For more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.